Just a moment, and you're there. In the world, in the stillness, in the wonder. These are things we forget. The beauty we pass by, the world we're part of. But in this moment, your heart listens. You feel the world within. You remember why it matters. This is more than just watching. It's a call to care, a reason to protect, and a way back to the world we never truly left. When everyone sees this final moment, it's an amazing shot, amazing video, what they don't see is what's behind the lens. What they don't see is this.